Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for inviting me here. I was so excited about the performance of AMD GPUs for video generation, and I definitely wanted to share our learnings with you guys. So while we try to project the video, I wanted to quickly introduce myself. I work on video generative AI for the last 10 years, starting 2016 when I graduated from college. I sold my previous company to Snapchat, where I was the head of generative AI, where we developed like video generative AI for face transformation, the effects like transforming human face to anime character or to cartoon character for hundreds of millions of people throughout the world. And the next journey for us at Higgsfield is to enable a video storytelling. Definitely, video is one of the most complex. Video is one of the most complex domains out there, and we. Huh? Sorry, give me a second. So we have this nice graph, which basically shows that when I started, I mean, you probably remember these generative adversarial networks, which were developed in 2015, and it were generating very small images from 64 pixels by 64 pixels. It was a very long time ago, and it was not clear if we will get to the quality. And today, we are actually at the moments where the system can generate videos where AI-generated videos are outperforming traditional videos on social media. And if we follow these trends, very likely by the end of these decades, AI-generated media is going to dominate TV and movie space. And this will mean that most of the data and most of the pixels on the internet is going to be AI-generated. And we believe it is very, very likely it is going to be generated with AMD GPUs. So very quickly, we focused on long-form generation, developed a reasoning engine to follow the way how content is made today. And so we have camera operator agent, which makes sure that the angle is selected appropriately for all the scenes. We have another agent which makes sure that that the final video follows the script and so on. So these multiple agents, they combine multiple video understanding and video generation, image generation models, and text generation models. We provide a single workflow to combine all the models in one place, including best closed source and open source models. And we specifically made it accessible for any social media creators to fine-tune open source models for their needs. We already have seen that in the media space, and ComfyUI folks can confirm that open source is a huge power. We have seen that billions and tens of billions of images were generated with when Stable Diffusion was released, and the next step is video. So let me very quickly show you a workflow and a demo of a platform, which was generated using the MI300X. Let me quickly try
with
to...
stunning animation.
Oh.
This is Higgsfield, your all-in-one studio, where an agentic workflow orchestrates the best open source models, ensuring the highest level of control and consistency. It begins with our AI screenwriting agent. Just provide a prompt, and it crafts a screenplay. Whether it's a faithful adaptation of your vision or a new narrative generated on the spot. Next, our AI director agent steps in. It interprets your screenplay, assembling a preliminary draft of shots for it. And if a shot needs tweaking, our intuitive tools let you fine-tune every detail until it aligns perfectly with your vision. Finally, AI animation breathes life into every frame, transforming static images into dynamic, cinematic motion. Higgsfield streamlines every stage of the creative process, into one seamless, efficient tool. And this is only the beginning. Higgsfield is constantly expanding the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome to the future of storytelling. Welcome to Higgsfield. Imagine a world where your ideas instantly
Sorry,
transform.
give me a very. It's how did we get here? What is this? It's probably. Yeah, no, it's AI agents. Yeah, it's probably. I'm not gonna be here. I'm not gonna be presenting it in probably 2 years. Definitely, my job is gonna be automated by agent, who is better with setting up a video, right? So. Just maybe very quickly wanted to jump to the main part of the presentation. We all know that AMD GPUs, like a MI300X, has more memory than H100s. Thanks to Jeff and our partners from TensorWave, which built probably one of the best clouds specifically for inference and training of large models. So one of the, let me maybe explain why TensorWave is superior to many other clouds. So one of the important workflows is definitely data transfer, as videos is a very data-consuming domain. And when we were running a test for inter-node connectivity, inter-GPU connectivity, we found out that TensorWave provides higher bandwidth compared to many other clouds. So going back to AMD, we specifically took WAN 2.1 model, which is the best open source model on the market, and we compared cost efficiency against H100s for the use cases which I showed before. We found out that on average, out of the box, without any custom modifications, AMD delivers from 10 to 20% better cost efficiency compared to H100s. The future of video AI is actually going upstream, tackling Hollywood, tackling TV, which is going to require to generate longer videos at high resolution. And what we found out is that as we increase number of frames, and inference on NVIDIA GPUs is not simply possible as it goes out of memory. And this is, and even today we're seeing that AMD provides superior performance and unlocks new use cases compared to NVIDIA GPUs. This is, I'm really excited to share our observations with you. We have a lot of interesting training workloads which we are running on AMD as well. We're already seeing huge gains on the training side. Happy to share with you likely next time. Thank you so much.